Hello viewers, the topic of today's video is literary device personification. Before I begin, please press the subscribe button. Thank you. So what is personification? It is a literary device. It is also called a figure of speech. Basically, whenever inanimate objects or things or abstract notions, ideas are spoken of as if they are alive, as if they have life, then it is called personification. हिंदी में बात करूँ तो जो निष्प्राण चीज़ें होती हैं, जिनमें कोई भी चीज़ जिसमें लाइफ नहीं होती, जीवन नहीं होता, उसके एट्रीब्यूट्स या उसके अंदर हम ऐसी क्वालिटीज़ की बात करते हैं कि जैसे उनमें लाइफ है, तो उसे पर्सोनिफिकेशन कहते हैं. जैसे हंसना, बोलना, चलना, खाना, बुलाना, बाहें खोलना, कुछ भी. सो ओपनिंग ऑफ आर्म्स बाय एनी इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट इज पर्सोनिफिकेशन. Then it comes, why is personification used? Well, friends, it's a choice of the writer, of a poet. It's a decorative device. So it's all about presentation of words. Basically, personification brings inanimate objects to life. So by this way, it adds life and vividness and gives creative perspective, add a different edge to ideas. Let's see our first example. The sun smiled at us with open arms. We all know sun is a star. It gives us light. But sun smiles. Now smiling is a human attribute. With open arms, we see that sun does not have any arms. Yet this sort of use is like as if we are giving lifelike qualities to sun. So it is an example of personification. Our second example is, my village streets are calling me. Now streets, गलियाँ किसी को बुलाती नहीं हैं. Streets do not call anyone. But yes, it is an assumption. So it is a personification. We are assuming that streets are calling. Example 3 is from literature. Poem My Mother at 66 by Kamala Das. Looked out at young trees sprinting. Now sprinting means running. So trees, although we say that trees have life, but trees do not move at all from their places. So when we are saying that trees are running, trees are sprinting, it is again giving a human-like quality to trees. So this is personification. My next example from literature is from the poem Two Sunflowers Move in the Yellow Room by William Blake. Although when sunflowers moving in the room, the title itself is depicting personification, yet the lines, "Oh William, we are weary of weather, said the sunflowers shining with dew." So in this poem, as if sunflowers are speaking to William Blake, the poet, it says, we are weary of weather. Flowers have got tired of this weather, said the sunflowers. Sunflowers are speaking. So this is depicting personification. So I hope you understand that whenever any lifeless thing, किसी भी निर्जीव वस्तु में जब हम human like qualities, life like qualities डालते हैं, so whenever any lifeless thing is having human like qualities, it is an example of personification. So thank you very much. It was very crisp. I hope it would have helped you. So do like, share and subscribe. This is Priya Handa signing off.